Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Fortnite game settings not saving on PC. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So first things first, you want to go ahead and open up Run on your PC. Then you want to write down a percentage, local app data percentage, and click OK. Now this will open up and you want to go ahead and locate your Fortnite game folder, open it up and click on saved, and then click on config. Now on config you should have client settings. So if you have client settings, then you're gonna do this for the client settings too. If you don't have it like me, you just go to Windows client and find game user settings. So you will do this for two files, game user settings and for client settings. So you will do the same option. You're going to right click on it, go to properties, and you want to make sure that read only is unticked. If it's like that, you want to untick it, click apply and OK. And you do the same for the client option. Once you will do that, you want to just close it here, and after that you want to open up your Epic Games launcher, go to Fortnite on your library, click on three dots, click on manage, and click verify files. Now, once you will click verify files, your everything should work, but you may also want to go ahead and restart your PC, just for the sake. Now, if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.